Hello friends, based on the price action and the technical analysis, we have given a trading idea of intraday buy on 16th July on SDFC Bank. The analysis was based on since the stock has corrected from almost 1126 level to 1035 level, and in recent it has fallen from 1074 level to 1035 level with continue big red candles, and at 1035 it was forming a base. After that it gave a reversal, and the day's open was with a big red candle. After this reversal it has taken out this opening price, and the price went further up, and the day was closed above this open price, which indicated a good reversal sign. So next day the call was, if this level of 1075, which was the level from which the stock has corrected in recent, so if this level is taken out, this seems to be a resistance level. If this level is taken out, then there is no major resistance till 1095. So 1095 becomes our first target for intraday, and above this 1112 will be our second target, and above that the level from which the stock has corrected in recent, that is 1126, that will be our third target. So stop loss will depend upon how the movement happens in the opening. Based on that, the lower range of that swing or that movement or that consolidation range will be our stop loss, so that the stop loss will be minimum and we can continue the trade for higher risk reward ratio. So let's see how it opened next day. So it opened almost at the resistance level, was consolidating. This was the lowest point, 1066. It didn't go below that. Here the price went above our trigger price, that is 1075. The price went up, came down, did came to our stop loss level, so stop loss was intact. And once this level is taken out, 108011, the stock zoomed one way, hitting our first target of 1095 and approaching to the second target of 1112, almost near to it, and the day was closed at the highest level, that is 1104. So next day, interesting, it will be, the price will open maybe gap up, and 1112, the second target will also be completed, and the price may further go to 1126 level, which is our third target. If the price crosses this 1126 level, which is the recent swing high from where the stock has corrected almost 8%, so if this level is taken out, then the price can go further up. So as we go further, we will be trailing our stop loss. Now the stop loss was initially, when we decided, the stop loss was here, but when we initiated the trade, this was the swing low, so this will become our stop loss. So we have reduced our risk from 1052 to 1065, almost 13 points we have reduced our risk. And further, once this breakout was taken, this will become my next stop loss, because this was the range where it has consolidated, and from this the breakout has given. So 1072 will be my next stop loss, trailing stop loss. As it goes further, if it consolidates in this range, maybe 1095 level, and then again gives a up move, then this swing, that is 1095, will be my next trailing stop loss. So as we go further, we will allow that stock to fly as much as he wants, and still we will be in trade with trailing the stop loss as it goes up. So this will ensure that my risk is always minimized, or the risk is addressed if it goes against my direction, but I'll be encashing the maximum profit that the stock wants to give to me. So wish you all the best and happy trading. Thank you.